Let's start with module 3, that is exploring and analyzing data. This module basically covers creating basic charts. Tableau, as I told you, is a very smart tool and it provides various charts like bar graphs, stacked bar charts, pie charts, line charts, maps, etc. for creating and showing the imported data in a better presentable form. Thus, we'll learn how to create those basic charts. Then we'll learn how to organize the data and apply filters on it. That is like sometimes when a data set is being imported, there are certain restrictions that we need to apply just to show them in a particular visual to fulfill certain requirements. That time we need to organize the data and apply some additional filters to fulfill our requirement of showing the constrained data. Then we'll see how to apply analytics to a worksheet on the basis of the imported data. So that's the basic overview of module 3. Let's start module 3 with the very first topic, that is creating basic charts. And in that, we'll be starting with a bar chart. So in Tableau, a bar chart is a chart which has rectangular bars, something like these shown in the picture below in the blue lines. So these bars can be either horizontal or vertical, and the bars shows the length or heights of the values which are being populated into the visual. For example, the measure which you will be putting it, the values that it represent will be shown in the bar. And by default, Tableau shows the data in a bar chart whenever you drag and drop any column into the column or rows. So this is how a bar chart is created in Tableau. Let's see how to do it on Tableau. So now open your Tableau desktop and let's use the orders table from the sample superstore itself. So once we have the orders table, let's move to sheet 1. So to create a bar chart, let's say we need to see, the requirement is we need to see reason wise what is the total profit earned. So let's do one thing. Let's select region from the table and push it to the rows. And when we say profit, so let's push it to the columns. So you will see a bar chart is automatically generated and it's a horizontal bar chart. Now, what you can also see is if you hover over it, you will see it will show you in the tooltips the amount of profit that is being generated for the region central, that is 39,706. Same goes for your east, same goes for your south, and same goes for your west. So this is how we can generate a bar chart. Also, there are certain other actions or better visual things that we can do. For example, the region wise sales, I need to further segregate it into a different color coding. Let's say on the basis of segment, what I'll do is from the columns segment, I'll push it to the colors and we'll see a color would be assigned to the bar chart based on the segment. So if now I hover over it, home office segment is given red color for central and the profit says 12,438. Orange is for corporate segment and blue is for consumer segment. Similarly for east you can see the same. So a particular color is being aligned to the bar chart based on the segment. Also, if you want to see the colors of the segments or you need to change the colors of the segment, you have to change the default properties. What you can do is you can go to segment, go to default properties and go to color. So now if you want to make any color change, you can. For example, I need corporate should come in brown color. I'll click corporate, select brown, apply and OK. So you'll see the colors are changing. So this is how you can modify your bar chart, the colors of the bar chart. Also, if you need that there should be a particular pattern that should be like shown here. For example, I need central after south. What I can do is I can pick central, drag it and drop it below south. So this is how even you can arrange your regions. So this is another thing that you can. Also, if you need to increase the length, you can hover over it, this arrow comes and drag it to the bottom. So it will increase the length of the y-axis. So this is how we create the bar chart in Tableau. So you saw how to create a bar chart, but by default, like I told you, I dragged region to the rows, profit to the columns, and it created a Tableau created a horizontal bar chart. What if this is in your mind that we need to create a bar chart that is vertical? So how you can do is push your regions to the column and push your profit to the rows, and you will notice you'll get a vertical bar chart. So this is taken care by the columns or the measures we drag and drop to the columns or the rows. So now this says there is one row showing the profit but divided into four columns that are of region. So this is how you create a vertical bar chart. It's more like just a different way of representing it. Also, like you can rename this sheet 1. You can double click and it will ask, a pop-up comes up stating the sheet name. Give the sheet name. For example, I need to give it as bar graph and remove this sheet name. Click on apply and click on OK. And also you can give all the formatting, like you can change the font, you can change the size, bold, italic, underline, color, whatever you want to, and stuff like that. So that would be visible in the graphs as well when you click on apply. So this is how even you can change the title of the graph of the sheet. So this is how you can create a horizontal or a vertical bar chart in Tableau.
If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.